Have you heard of exosome therapy? It's a cutting-edge treatment that's revolutionizing medicine, from healing injuries to fighting aging. Exosomes are tiny messengers released by stem cells. They carry powerful signals that help cells repair, regenerate, and reduce inflammation. In regenerative medicine, exosome therapy helps heal damaged tissues, like after a heart attack or injury, by promoting cell growth and blood vessel formation. In anti-aging and skin care, exosomes boost collagen, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture, naturally rejuvenating your skin. Exosomes are also being used to treat chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart conditions, by calming the immune system and encouraging tissue repair. Even in neurology, exosomes show promise for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. They can cross the blood-brain barrier and help heal nerve damage. For athletes and active individuals, orthopedic uses include faster healing from joint injuries and relief from osteoarthritis without surgery. And in eye care, exosome therapy may protect against vision loss from conditions like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Safe, non-invasive, and highly versatile exosome therapy could be the future of personalized healing.